currently is your lookout as pertaining to development? Is it to buy a house or to build for yourself? Quite a number of considerations clients from experience are often concerned about. Is where I'm going to develop if I secure this land. Is the land buildable? Because I can tell you not every land that is purchased is actually buildable. But under whatever conditions for a land to be buildable is right here in Amen Estate. As you know, Amen Estate is not a new project. It is a fully developed project. Fortunately, this time, there is a newly opened acres of land. But very few, because quite a number of clients have subscribed into this. And the promo price currently is 60 million naira for a 500 square meter of land here in Amen Estate. So I'll be taking you around now so that it can be a form of reminder of what Amen Estate actually looks like. I'm sure it's not a new project, or probably is new to you. You will get informed on Amen Estate. It comes with a fully available infrastructure, pool, 24 hours power supply, security, children play area, golf course, and a couple of others. There's nothing you want here that you won't get. It is a buy and build. You need not to worry of any infrastructure here because it is an existing estate, a developed estate. So let's go around so that I can show you the details and development here. So as you can see, here that I am is what is called Orimolusi Crescent. Let me increase the camera so that you can see. And you can see quite a number of development. Most structure here are fully detached. So currently I'm standing on a drainage. It is a covered drainage, you can see. So these are the corridor we are selling. It's an extension of the estate, but they share entrance and they share facilities. So let me take you down towards where I'm heading right now is one of the children play area. I think if I increase my camera, you will be able to see it. That's the children play area. And it will interest you to know that it comes with 24 hours power supply. So you can see the light. That's one of the street lights here. You can see, despite that we are even in the afternoon, the lights are all turned on. So the lightings are all turned on. So it is actually renewable energy. So the entries we came in through is at the entrance you will see the sales and operational office. So this is the children play area. If your children love to play on janglover and pool, you can see that man who just jump into water now. So quite a number of infrastructure that you have to enjoy here, and very spacious children play area. And here also, let me show you this, the entrance we came in through, and you can see the fashion of the building that is built. They all look common. So, and that's the standard of this estate, and this is a world-class infrastructural standard. So see one of the gates to the express. This is Showola Drive, and this is Oluma Avenue. Showola Drive is where I am standing currently, and towards the gate is the Oluma Avenue. So I don't think this is an estate you can afford to miss. So the title is secured, safe, and all that you need to do is to make your initial deposit of 15 million naira and spread the rest of your payment for 2 months for an outright payment, but 6 months outright 5% extra. So I remain Kola Ole Balogun, lead consultant of the Cof O. I'm still very much committed to making sure that you have the best value. So, thank you and see you in my next video. For further information, please contact the details on your screen and let me get you on board.